Alright, well this is the last piece I need to cut to get around the floor vent. What I'm going to do is go ahead and line up my next piece. I'm going to mark exactly where I want my cuts on the side. Alright, I'm going to line up my next cut and mark it exactly where I want. Not on the surface of the board though. I'm gonna bring it out in the garage and clamp it to my table saw. You can use a workbench or whatever you have available. This is just handy for me. So now I'm gonna take a straight edge and then I'm gonna measure the distance to my mark for my horizontal cut and transfer that information to the area that I actually want to cut. Extend those marks out to the right height. And I'm going to grab a straight edge. Just happen to have a spare piece of flooring that I'm going to use. Alright, now I've got my marks. Next I'm going to take a drill with the drill bit that's big enough so that the jigsaw blade can fit inside. And next I'm going to take a jigsaw, put it in the hole, cut my straight line, alright, time to take the piece inside and install it. Fits like a glove. I'll take my tapping block, get that in place. Floor vent fits, and that's all there is to it.